Greetings, everyone. How's it going? Why do I always have to look at the date before I start? It is Monday. I can't believe it's the 29th of January, right? Isn't that crazy? Anyways, it's 12:30 and you and I have an appointment and we're live, of course, on the Facebook. And that means it's time to discuss it with Drake, and that would be me. So remember, if you miss a live broadcast, you can always go to my YouTube channel, which is Drake's Real Estate TV. Hello, Keith. How are you? And actually, you want to make sure that you are subscribing because I have a huge giveaway coming up. And the only way to win is if you are a subscriber on my YouTube channel. So make sure you go to YouTube again and go to Drake's Real Estate TV and enter to win. All right, so here we are. It's the 15th episode, so welcome to episode 15. Today's topic is another exciting one. It is ADUs. What does ADU mean? Well, actually, it means accessory dwelling unit. Okay, there's also a junior ADU, but that's for another time. And just let you know, disclaimer, there's a ton of information here. I am not going to cover it all. So it is highly likely you're probably going to have more questions when I'm done than when we are starting right now. So feel free to contact me and we will discuss your specifics at that time. All right, so let's get started. So by definition, an ADU is actually a second dwelling unit with a full kitchen, bath, and a bedroom. It can be rented or leased. It can be attached or detached, or you could actually have a garage conversion. It cannot be sold separately from a single family residence. You can have separate meters and utilities are also, of course, allowed. It can't have a separate address, but it can have a unit number or letter. There are some great benefits, of course. It's an extra source of income. It could be great for extended family while still maintaining a level of privacy, right? There's a ton of next generation homes being built. Don't know if you go to do construction. Of course, here I go digressing again. It's no wonder I can't do this in 5 minutes. But there actually are new constructions out there, and they're called next-gen new constructions, where they actually have a unit built as part of the new construction. It's fantastic because you can actually lock the door. Anyway, so yes, it's a great source of income, and it's affordable housing for students if you live in a college town and want to have some extra income as well. So some other specifics: the ideal lot size is at least 5,000 square feet. For a detached ADU, it needs to be a minimum. This is going to sound funny, but it actually needs to be a minimum of 150 square feet. What's 150 square feet? Well, the breakdown, and there is one, is you have to have 70 square feet of living bedroom area. You have to have a bath, of course, which is the toilet, the lavatory, and tub and shower, and that only needs to be 30 square feet. Can you imagine how small that is? And then your kitchen with the sink, stove, and fridge needs to be 50 square feet. So if you have those up, that's 150. I can't imagine what that is. Can you? Anyways, the maximum is 1,200. For Long Beach, actually, it's 800 square foot max. So you need to make sure that you are checking with your specific cities for your specifics on what you can and can't do. Of course, there's also yard setbacks for your lot, whether you're on an interior lot or whether you're on a corner lot. There are some differences. For the interior lot, which most of us live on, you got to be 20 feet from the front. You get about 4 feet on the rear and the sides. If you happen to be on a corner lot, then of course it's still 20 feet from the front. However, it's 4 feet from the rear, but it's 10 feet from the side street. So a little bit difference. There are also some guidelines if your ADU is actually built above an existing garage, or if your lot is actually less than 50 feet wide. 50 feet's not very wide, so I'm not sure where those are, but not here anyways. And then there's the parking. When do you need to provide parking? Off-street is what I'm talking about, etc. So again, contact me later if you have any more specifics on this issue, and we can go over it at that time. because unfortunately there's so many variations and I only have a little bit of time and I want to keep you somewhat engaged, right? As far as estimated cost goes, well, it's actually pretty affordable. From what I'm reading, it's between $200 and $300 per square foot for a detached one-story. For a garage conversion, you can do that anywhere between $35,000 and $75,000. And of course, all those costs. Hi, cousin. All those costs are going to vary, of course, depending on the material and the finishes that you choose. And some of us have expensive tastes. Not me. I was talking about you. Anyways, don't forget about property taxes. Okay, it can be as much as 2% if the new construction occurs. But keep in mind there are some Property 13 limitations, which we can discuss later, because those are important as well, because it could actually only go up 1% per year. So ADUs can definitely be a hot topic depending on where you live. And there's always going to be pros and cons, so feel free to reach out and let's discuss your specific situation. A lot of people don't like the fact that they can have an ADU now in their neighborhood because they think that their neighborhood is already too crowded, but I digress. So I just want to give a quick shout out to J2 Architects for providing today's details and to Dana Delmer for suggesting this topic. And that's really all I have for you today. Like I said, there's a lot of information there that, of course, I didn't go over. So if you like some specific information, I can send you the report. Okay, I can drop it off in the mail or send you an electronic copy. Just let me know what you would like. And please feel free to share. If you would like to see something covered in the near future, I can definitely add that to the calendar. So again, thank you so much for your interest and support. Please remember, don't keep me a secret. Please share this to everybody you know. I always try to come from contribution. And if you've made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drake's Real Estate TV. There's giveaways coming up. You could only win if you're a subscriber. Got it? Okay. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to live, laugh, and love. Until next week, when the next move matters, contact Drake for Homes. All right? Talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.